Hi everyone, this is Giselle from Listaso. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your price levels feature in your own business. So to get started, log into back office. Now go to our main menu on the left side of your computer screen and click on All Services. Under Customers, just go to Price Level, specifically the option with the funnel icon. Here you will find a list of all your price levels, which breaks down as follows. Through the eye icon in the Action column, you will be able to look into a specific price level and make changes on it if you wish. Each price level's name is found in the Description column. The next column shows you the number of customers applicable for a price level, and the column beside displays the number of products under a specific price level. The Modified column gives you the last modification date for a specific price level, and the last column shows you the creation date for a price level. Now, the procedure to follow when creating a new price level or editing an already existing one is essentially the same, consisting of steps such as adding or removing customers applicable for a specific price level, adding or removing products applicable under a discount or a higher price, and setting discounts or higher prices to a product's either list, cost, minimum, or recommended price. This recommended price is also known as MSRP. So let's create a new price level by clicking on the green button reading Add Price Level. A list of all the potential products applicable for this new price level will be displayed in a new window. As you can see, it opens up in a separate window. And this list breaks down each of the products by their item code, item name, its price, which refers to the product's sales price, too, its new price, which is the total price after it's been applied, either a discount or a higher price, its start and ending date, which refers to the starting and ending date for the discount to apply or the higher price, its category, and its cost price, which refers to the product's purchase price. To edit a specific product as applicable for a price level, check on the product and click on the blue button reading Options. You're going to set a starting date and an ending date for this price level to apply. And if you want your product to have a higher discount according to its original list or sales price, then you're going to apply this discount to the product's cost price. For this whipping cream that we've chosen, its cost price has a total of $5. This $5 are going to go through a discount of their 15%. And then just adding these results together, which is 0.75 cents plus $5. The new total price is going to be $5.75 accordingly. Now, this total price is way lower than its original sales price. And you can apply the discount to the list price instead, or to the product's sales price, which in this case is $12. So let's choose list price instead, and let's apply the same 15% discount. Now, this $10.20 as a new total price are the result of multiplying $12 by their 15% and then just subtracting the $12 minus $1.80, which is the total discount. So that is how you get $10.20, which, as you can see, is way higher than the amount we got before when applying the discount to the cost price. You can repeat this process individually for every product, or you can just select a good amount of products that you want to go through the same discount. For example, if we want all these products as list price to go through a 15% discount, we set a starting date and an ending date. And as you can see now, all these products as new price is going to be the discount applied to each of their list prices. To add or remove customers, you're going to go to the tag right beside items. But remember to give your price level a name. We're going to call it promo. Click on the blank below customer to see your list of customers displayed, and click on a specific customer that you want to apply for this discount. Now click on the green button Add Customer, and you should be able to see your customer selected as part of the list of customers. Now, if you wanted to remove a customer, you can just check on the box and click on Remove, which is the red button. Same works if you wanted to remove or add products. Click on Discounted Items so that you can have a view of all your products, not just the ones on discount. And if you wanted to remove a product from this list, you can just check on the box and click on Remove. So I hope this video was useful to you and that you can now add price levels to your business strategy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.